The town shopping centre was completely wiped out, including the market. I mean, the market was the centre of our town, you know. And shops were rendered useless by, well, they had either bombs in them or they had bombs that hadn't blown up, but they were still dangerous, you know. There were now 171 food shops gone, 64 grocery shops, 61 butchers, 12 bakeries, 34 hotels, and of course there's the restaurants and the cafes, they'd all gone. And the figure that does not deal with the greengrocers and other stalls in the lost market. But to illustrate to you from the market's point of view, there were 45 butchers' holdings in the market, and these 45 butchers were supplying no less than 22,000 people. So it was an horrendous morning, that next morning, when we looked at our town, which was burning. It burned for days, actually. Well, of course, what was worse of all for us were the casualties of people, you know. There were 230 people killed and 409 people injured. The nurses in the hospital were wonderful. The hospitals were overflowing, and many people were treated in the large corridors that were the old Swansea General Hospital. There were 12 more attacks in 1941 alone. These attacks resulted in 387 people killed and 851 injured. So much of Swansea was damaged, and all the lovely late Victorian and Edwardian buildings seem to have gone now. Tylo Crescent was pretty well wiped out during the war because they were aiming for a target and obviously missed it, and the whole crescent was pretty well obliterated. A lot of people killed there.